The moment we've finally been waiting for is here for some people. So we're talking about the VPN for the Pixel 7 devices. Pretty cool. Whenever the Pixel 7 launched, they told everybody, hey guys, we've got a free VPN service that's coming for you, specifically for the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, but it's not going to be here just yet. And they said later in the year. Well, we got some more clarity on that about a month or so ago. They said December. Well, what's coming in December? The security patch that's going to be here in just a few days, I believe on the 5th. However, it's not part of that. It's something that they started rolling out already, and they're actually a couple of days ahead of schedule, starting rolling out, I guess, on the 29th in some regions. So here's the thing. It's not part of a software update. It's just going to magically enable in your Google One app. So if you're not familiar with it, there's an app on your Pixel 7 called Google One. Now, in there already, you can sign up for the VPN. The VPN has been available. You just had to pay for it. And you had to pay like the $9.99 subscription. You got the 2 terabytes of storage, and you get the backup for online stuff, and then you get the VPN. There's a couple other things, but here's the thing. It's not really available for a lot of people yet. And I have the Pixel 7, I have the Pixel 7 Pro. I went and I checked on both, and it's not available yet. And it doesn't require you go to the Google Store. It doesn't require a Google One app update, but this is the Google One app. And it's very simple, straightforward. The way you can tell if you have it is down at the bottom, there's 4 different tabs. So you've got Home, Storage, Benefits, and Support. If it's available and updated for free, you go over here to the 3rd tab on the bottom that says Benefits. Now, there should be an area up here that talks about the VPN. There should be a card at the top talking about the VPN. You click on the more details, and then you can turn it on, and you can have a look at the VPN. So, again, it started rolling out, it seems, to a couple select few people. The way I found out, I was actually looking on Reddit, because some people have been telling me that they think there's an issue with maybe the way the display and some of the color stuff on the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. I haven't really heard that from a lot of people, but I thought, let me go check out Reddit and see if there's anything to this. I didn't really see a whole lot of anything on it, but I did see that a couple people were saying that the VPN had started rolling out. So I'm like, okay, cool. I checked my phone, not available on my phone, but that doesn't mean it might not be available for yours. And this is not going to be a long video. I just wanted to let everyone know, look, they started rolling it out. It's ahead of schedule, and it's not part of the December security patch. And the December security patch is going to be here in just a couple of days. I mean, today is November the 30th. Fantastic day. The last day before the last month of the year. And what's great about next month? Christmas. Not my kids' 4 birthday parties that I got to deal with. And, well, it's expensive. So I'll take the free VPN. But it's an exciting time. I'm really glad that this feature is starting to roll out. Go check on your Pixel 7 or your Pixel 7 Pro. Again, go to the Google One app. It's already pre-installed on your phone. You don't need to go to the Play Store. You don't need to download anything. You can just go to your apps, get the Google One, open it up, and check on your Benefits tab. I don't know how quickly this is going to roll out. Sometimes with Google, they start rolling stuff out, and it kind of trickles out, and then maybe like a week later, you get mass availability. I'm sure they're not worried about breaking anything, because this is not part of an operating system update. This is not part of a security patch. It's strictly in the Google One app. And people have been using this for a while. And if you had the paid service, well, then you're able to see that. And here's another important thing. If you've been paying for the Google One membership, well, you might need to check into that. Hopefully there's an update under the Benefits tab that tells you about the free VPN service, because if you've been paying for it up till this point, you might be able to shut off that membership and just use the free VPN if that's what you were paying for specifically. But of course, you'll lose out on your extra terabytes of storage and all that stuff. So it's probably a balancing act, but maybe you can turn it down to a lesser storage, or lesser membership op, and don't have to pay as much. Anyway, I'm going to get off here. I just want to let folks know I put a community post about it on YouTube and earlier. And again, if you are not a subscriber to the channel, then that's one of the benefits is I'm always posting stuff in my community section. A lot of stuff with the Black Friday deals, Cyber Monday deals, updates on the Pixel software stuff. I'm always trying to engage with people there. So I'm going to go ahead and get off this one now. Just to let folks know it's starting to roll out. If you don't have it in the next couple of days, if it doesn't show up immediately, don't fret. It'll get there eventually. That's the best thing I can say. So that's all I've got. If you enjoyed the video, if you found this helpful, if you like this stuff, then please hit the like and the subscribe button. If you have any comments, you want to talk about it, you know where to go. Straight down the comment section and hit reply and all that good stuff, and we'll talk about it. So that's all I got. As always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.